I'm just coming from my kitchen today, and my name's Justin, by the way, and I am so excited to show you guys something that I do because I'm OCD, like I'm crazy. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. So we're gonna work on, I got a new replacement seat for the car, and these are older containers, a Lexol. They've been around forever. They're at Walmart, whatever. You can get them anywhere pretty much. And I've got, the key to this is you need really hot water and one of these bristle brushes. So this seat is going to replace the one in the car, and I kind of cleaned it earlier a little bit, and then my camera died, but I'm just going to show you guys just real quick, you know, what a great way, because what happens is you get, you know, where the seams dry out, this rips, you have problems, you know, yeah, you just end up with problems in the car. This side here, you can see it's real damaged, it's real shrunken up, where you have this side, you know, because you got the passenger seat, the sun's hitting here, and this is the side that doesn't get much from any of the weather. And then this part here gets all the weather from the windshield, causes problems. So I wish there was a quick cure to fix leather, but replacing it when it gets damaged or whatever, you know, that's going to be the best thing. So basically, when you're in your car, you know, you take your brush and you just scrub the seat. You just want to be careful, like where you have rips or other problems or seams that have issues. Obviously, sitting on a kitchen floor is going to be a lot easier to do this than it is to when you're like kind of hunched over and all funky and in your car, and you know, you're trying to be like a human Rubik's Cube trying to figure this out. So yeah, so the biggest thing is you know, you want to just, you know, get it nice and clean, and you know, scrub the sides. If it's vinyl, this cleaner will take off the gunk regardless. So you know, if you have some bolsters that might just be leather here, you know, it's not going to hurt. Yeah, it's a good time to, you know, get all these stitches nice and clean. Food gets caught in there. So basically, you know, you're scrubbing the seat, and you know, as you can see, it's softening up a little bit. I mean, this stuff was pretty neglected, and basically, once you get this done, you know, you'll have it here. I mean, one of the things, it's interesting, trying to get a close-up, I don't know if I'm even getting it, but there's a, right in here you have this, I guess it's like a crease. Sometimes you get crack, you know, the dirt will build up in there, but you want to be careful, because you might think, oh, you know, it's dirty, but what's happening is the water is making it darker, so you're having some problems with it. Well, the seat's having some problems, and then you might be having some OCD problems because you're like, oh my gosh, not that I would know. Anyway, so once that's done, you just, every once in a while, depending how dirty it is, you're just going to, you know, wipe the soap off, clean it up, see where you're at, and the biggest thing is if you have leather, you just want to kind of do this every 3 to 6 months, or you know, at least twice a year if you're just like an average person that's not kind of crazy like myself. So let's try it off and we'll see how it looks. And what's nice is you can see here the leather is a little lighter. You can see where, you know, it's really bouncing back. It's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, there's no way to get rid of this. I mean, this is sun damage, but at least this will help, like here, you know, relieve some of that pressure on these seams. Because you can't, I don't know if you, unless I get real close, you know, you see these stitches, you know, where it's ripping a little bit. And that's just from the leather drying out and pulling. So the key is to try to either mitigate or reduce further damage. So I've got my little bottle of conditioner. Spray some of this on, and just wipe it on the seat, and that's it. So that's an easy, quick way to clean the leather in your car and not have to worry about it too much.